I got you. First, figure out where you want your skinny braid to go. Trace that part with whatever product you're using, and then trace that part with whatever comb you're using, making sure that the line is straight. Once you know that you have your straight line, you then go and part a parallel line right next to that. So you should have a very skinny section of hair right next to that original part. You then take the product that you're using and you make sure you distribute it from the root to the tip of that section. Then you clean your part and make sure that you're combing through so that all the product is going throughout the braid and not sitting in one spot. This ensures that the braid will be neat as you braid back, and it'll help keep the flyaways down. Starting at the tip of the braid, you grab the least amount of strands you can without hurting your client, and you begin to braid back. What I do when I go back is I pull the hair up without adding any extra pressure, making sure that the braid is tight. Sometimes you forget to do that and the braid is a little wobbly, so what I do is, as I'm going back, I pull up the next section and grab it with the right hand. I pull with the left and grab with the right. And because I already added the product, I don't have to add anything. The braid is shiny and it's helping me with the flyaways as I go back to the nape of the neck. I hope this helps. If you have any more questions, please drop them in the comments. I'm trying to do more of these. But yeah, this is how I do my skinny braids.